At Harbins Elementary School, we are utilizing Destiny to find and obtain books from the Media Center. After opening Destiny Discover, make sure you log in to the top right corner of the page. This is a very important step to make sure that we are able to get books to you. Once you are signed in, you will notice that your name will pop up on the top left side of the screen. To search for books, you are more than welcome to scroll down and look for books that have recently been added to the Media Center, popular titles that lots of students like to check out, different topics and genres, and several of our ebooks coming from Lightbox or where it says ebooks. If you would like to search for a particular book or series, you may go up to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the book that you want. After typing in the name of the book, press enter or click on the magnifying glass. You will notice that you have several choices from Pithecad because it is a series. When you find the book that you want, all that you will need to do is click on where it says hold, and that book will be pulled for you. If you are a student at Harbins Elementary School and you are going to a classroom in person, we will deliver the books to your classroom. If you are learning digitally, there will be a calendar set up that your parents may pick up the books in a curbside pickup. And that is all that you have to do to get books from Harbins Elementary School this year. If you accidentally made a mistake and you said, I really don't want that book and I clicked it by accident, all you have to do is click unhold and that hold will be taken away. You are allowed up to 3 books to place on hold, and this school year we are allowing kindergarten through 5th grade the ability to check out 3 books because we know that access to books is very important in these times. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.